Hi, it's just Crafty Chantel, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if this is your first time joining us. I have with me the A Year of Craft, The Gift of Giving. I think this is the second auto ship from HSN, and so what we'll do is do a quick unboxing and then pause for a couple of card demonstrations. Always, Sara gives you nice packaging. So let's quickly go through the book. Yes, this is issue number 2. Fantastic faux embossing with this issue's masterclass, inspiring projects for Father's Day, and more. A letter from Sara. Ideas of the cards that are in the kit. Then they break down what's in the kit. So again, you got some stencils, some stencils that can also be used for embossing, stamps, pattern paper, solid paper. I really like these die cuts because you can stamp those in colors. And then some inspiration. So these are the stamps, and you can do some coloring with those. And Sara kind of gives you some details on how to make these different card folds. Oh, this is really pretty with the embossing folder and the gemstones. This paper, I think I've seen this in like the Father's Day kits. And this alphabet, maybe that's in the kit. I think the numbers are in next month's kit. This is a familiar layout. This was in the initial Year of Craft box. I've done this layout several times. And so then this is bringing back the circle die from the Year of Craft kit, from the initial one. Breaking down the adhesive. So I just reordered this Collall glue. This is a really good one. And then this tacky glue I really like. This is a textile glue. I didn't mean to order that one, but I have it. Oh, the all-purpose glue. Yeah, this one I really like. This white tacky glue kind of gets a little wet. Amazing Aqua. So now we're working with the Spectrum Noir pens there. And it looks like this one has some clear gemstones. Heat embossing over here. I don't see it here, but yeah, that's some heat embossing to give you that shiny. Very, very pretty. This is a stamp from the original, from the first box in the kit. And then we have these templates, which are handy, and it's good if you want to cut them yourselves. Looks like you can also download them and print them, so you don't have to tear them out of the book. But I have a lot of nesting dies, so I probably have that shape already. More templates. Oh, now we're getting into the memory book. Okay, I think there is a stencil in the memory book, in the package. So you can do this memory book. And I have a memory book die that I have not used yet. Here's a Super Crafter, Rhode Davis from Delaware. How cool is that to be featured? Oh, like a wallet holder. And this one is using the letters. I've actually made a similar card like this. It's on my page in red and white, and it says Maya. It's my sister, one of my sisters. Here's the toolbox, and those are the templates that we saw earlier. Rainy day paper. One of the earlier boxes had these circle dies. Those come in handy. Oh, nice. So that's what that stencil is for, to help you do straight lines when you're addressing an envelope. And some gift labels. And a reader's gallery where they feature cards from us. So that is the inspiration book. Then we have a banner die. So this is good for when you stamp your words, and then you can have the die and you can make it elevated using the foam back tape, the ribbons. So there's kind of like a gold, light blue, and silver. Here is the umbrella and shoe die. And here are your stamps. So this umbrella can work right there. So you see that goes over the stamp. And then there are the boots. And then some raindrops. So not specifically this raindrops, but some other raindrops. Hearts. And let's see. You can make a rainbow without... You can't make a rainbow without a little rain. Hoping your day is as wonderful as you. So some nice sentiments. And then these sentiments should work with this die. For You Treat Survival Kit. Thank you, Pamper Kit, Survival. So these are the ones that you can use for your gifts, because the theme of this box is the gift giving box. The gift of giving. And the stamp corresponds with the die right here. And then you have some sentiments that can fit right in there. As usual, the card blanks and the card envelopes. And the stencils. And these you can stamp with, you can do coloring, and you can also do embossing with the Gemini Pro. And then these are the templates that create the wallet, the memory book, help you line your envelopes. These are the pre-die cut words, making memories, you know, for the memory book, just for you. Hello, just to say thank you, you are special. To, from, with, in case you want to do your envelopes. And then we have the patterned paper, and this is, you know, pretty lightweight. It's paper. And we have 2 of each sheet, and it's one-sided. So you have that pink and coral, 3, that, and here are your raindrops, polka dots, some plaid, some blue specks, stripes. Oh, this is cute. Then, so this is kind of like a green, almost lime green paper spread that kind of mimics what we see in the earlier with the coral and pink. So that's the lime green, and then here are the blues. So I will take a step back and see what my inspiration is going to be. Oh, in the bottom of the box are these die cut tag shapes. So you have some hearts, different banners that you can use, and then you also have the colored cardstock. And so this is cardstock. It's a little heavier, and it's also 2-sided. You get 2 of each pages. So here we have some blue, white, and the pinkish coral, the yellow, bright blue, teal, or sorry, a deeper blue, and then like a gray. Okay, I think I have an idea of what I want to do. So I'm going to use the raindrops, which I think I have upside down. I think raindrops go this way. No, they're big at the, I think they go this way. And then we'll use the words just to say sorry and the tag from the kit. And we'll let the tag hang from the gold ribbon. I like this shade of gold, actually. So we'll let that hang like such. This will be our bottom half of our card. So that'll be the top of our card. We'll put just to say over here, and sorry, or maybe it'll be this way, just to say and then sorry can dangle. And then what I'm going to take with the words just to say and sorry, I'm going to stamp them with this navy blue. So I think that'll be the first thing I do, is stamp my words so that they can kind of sit off to the side and dry. Okay, just something quick and simple. With the, what is this, the Year of Craft issue 2, the Gift of Giving box. We just did a quick card saying I'm sorry, just to say sorry. We used the tags, the raindrop paper. Maybe I could have embossed down here, maybe tried to do some embossing with the raindrop stencil. That might have been cute. Just trying to do something quick with the elements in the kit, just to give you a little bit of inspiration. The kit is great. I don't necessarily love it. The paper is fine. I just do straight cards though, so I probably won't use the templates to make the boxes and things like that. I have some box making templates, so I would more than likely use that. But I will definitely be on the lookout to see what other people are doing with the kit and what kind of fun they're having. Oh, that's kind of cute. Yeah, because it just needs a little something else. So if you enjoyed this video, please feel free to hit like and subscribe so that you can be notified as I do additional videos, and also hit the notifications button. So thank you so much for joining me today. This is Just Crafty Chandel.